Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the integration of s with dy in here, so you got about y. The integration of 2y, we have y squared in here, because the integration of y, we have y squared over 2. Number 2 and number 2, they cancel. That's why we have y squared. And then we need to put the bounds from 2x squared to 1 plus x squared dx. So this one I will put in here, and this one I will put in here. So we have like this. And this one I will put in here and here. Oh, sorry, this one negative. And now we need to simplify this one, and we have like this. So we have this one, and now we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one for here, 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 and here. Number 1, that is about x to the power of number 0. This one, that's about x to the power of 1. So if we apply this one in here, we have like this. And we put the bound from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So number 1, I will put this one cone here. And negative number 1, I will put this one cone here. And now we have the final answer. And we have 32 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.